Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React plus Fabric. Today we are going to learn about how I can use Fabric.js with React. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So open any kind of the project of the React. So let me open the project with the React tutorial, YouTube. Which one? That is notes taking. Let's open it. And nvm use node 20. Okay, let's open the code. Okay, and let's first of all we have to install the fabric. So npm i fabric. This is done. Now we have to create canvas.js. So let's copy and paste in the source. We have to create this canvas.js. So let's create this in the source. Let's create a new file, that is canvas.js. Let's paste the code. Okay, so this is the canvas.js, and in the app.js let's close all the files. Okay, so app.js, let's comment this one, and let's add the app, call that component in app.js, right? So this is that one. Okay, now we have to run the command npm start, and here we go with this one, fabric.js with react. The shape is there, you can see that. Okay, and here you can rotate it, whatever you can do it. Okay, so this is how the fabric.js with react has been integrated. Okay, let's understand the code. Okay, so this is the canvas. So here we have import from the fabric. Then first of all we have to use reference of the canvas. Then in the use effect we have to initialize the fabric.canvas with the current canvas reference. Okay, here we are adding the rectangular with left, top, fill, width, height, everything. Then add into the canvas and clean up on unmount. So canvas dot depose will help in that. Okay, and here we are returning the canvas with reference, width and the height. Okay, so this is a simple and the basic example like how to add a rectangle into your react with the fabric. Okay, in the next videos we are going to draw the multiple shapes like rectangle, line, circle. Okay, so this is the basic one, like how I can use the fabric and the react. Okay, so this is how it will work. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.